Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Replit for Python coding. So let's get started. So first of all, you could open your web browser and visit Replit's website. Once you're there, you could sign into your account. And if you don't already have one, you can create a free account in just a few minutes. After logging in, you gotta go to your dashboard, and if you're not already there, click the option to create a new project and you'll be taken to the project creation page. At this point, you have a couple of choices. You can use Replit's AI tool to generate a project idea or sample code for you, or you can start building everything yourself from scratch. If you prefer creating your own Python project, so you're going to click the plus icon or choose the option to start a new project. And you can also upload an existing Python file if you already have code saved on your computer. For example, I'll create an empty project. Replit allows free users to create a limited number of projects, so it's a good idea to manage them carefully and remove any test projects you no longer need. Once the workspace opens, you'll notice several panels and tools available. If you want to begin coding, you gotta head over to the file section and create a new file. Give the file a name ending with .py, such as test.py, and press enter. Replit will immediately recognize it as a Python file. And now you can start writing Python code directly in the editor. If you're new to programming, Replit also provides example snippets that you can use to learn basic concepts and experiment with code. You'll find sample programs for things like loops, user input, simple calculations, and other beginner-friendly Python examples. While working on your project, you can access tools such as console to view program output, the shell for terminal commands, and some additional integrations for databases, authentication, deployment, and automation. The AI assistant is also available from the sidebar whenever you need help with coding tasks or troubleshooting problems. And after generating or writing your code, simply run the project and check the output to make sure everything is working correctly. You can also manage your files using the File Explorer. From there, you can open files, rename them, delete them, or organize your project structure however you like. Selecting a file from the list will open it instantly, allowing you to continue editing and developing your Python application. And that's how you can use Replit for Python programming. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like, and I'll see you in the next video.